guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cody's brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Ride or die, 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 ride or die. Cody's brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta ride or die.
Not to hit those numbers.
Gotcha.
And the actual computer will hit them for you. So every value you see for like a lambda is the max value, and then it'll try to target all the other values for you.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That's nice and shiny.
Well, it's a 78.
Yeah, it's looking good. Looks really good.
Alrighty, we got Chris's FK8 Type R Civic. We're gonna make a pull here, just see what we have for baseline. We got the plugs. We'll do a roll speed here, just make sure that the dyno is calibrated, and then we'll start making the first pull. Okay, we started the logger. We're gonna make a pull. First pull, see where we're at, get some good data on it. Quicker. I got there so much quicker.
You cannot run me down.
That is true.
Never had the car. Holy shit. What do these pulleys sound like shit? Well, I the fucking AC.
It like that.
400, 431?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Jesus. Even on the Mustang dyno, I did 376, 420. So, or not the Mustang, it was a dyno jet.
Yeah.
They were pretty inflated.
It's pretty wild, huh?
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's just gapping some plugs.
Giving you more spark?
Yeah, just it's actually, instead of seeing, it might have saw a knock event before or something, and because the gap is too high, and now it's trying to run all the ignition timing it can, since it's not fake knocking. It's weird, though. Do you drive it in R mode mostly, or
What's up?
when you're getting on it, you're in R mode all the time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I think the stop. Yeah, I have it starting in R mode. So.
Okay, yeah. I don't think it'll change much of the comfort mode stuff, because
No, it
You're
just
not gonna-
changes the throttle response. I think. 'Cause
you're not going to feel it. It changes the torque stuff too, like it's different torque values
Gotcha.
in comfort also, so it'll run more boost in.
in R.
R,
Yeah.
yep.
I always run R unless my girl's in the car. Then she
You're not racing anyway,
it's
huh?
more of a comfort. Yeah, comfort. I like to feel the road and stuff like that.